Today in the colloquial kitchen, we're doing salsa, a simple no-cook salsa. Ingredients are simple: tomatoes, green pepper, onion. I got some little fancy peppers that were in the freezer. We're going to put in some pre-julienne carrots just for color and crunch. Some chilies I bought at the Asian market. I don't know what they are. Cilantro, which some of you won't like. Garlic. And then Cayenne, Ancho chili, and Cumin. So first thing is tomatoes. Top and tail, those go into your stock bucket. Now, if you'll notice, I'm doing the draw cut or draw slice using the point of my knife to cut through that tough skin. Next is your pepper. Remember to take the little sticker off so you don't end up eating it. We're going to top and tail. Set those aside for now. Now, if you got those ribs in there, you just run your knife down from one rib to the next. Now all that inside, it's left behind. And that goes into your stock bucket. To do these, again with a point, I'm going to draw through with that point through that pepper skin. And then you can chop. Now the top and the bottom, don't waste it. Cut around. Now that's the hard part. That goes in your stock bucket. And chop them up. Onions, just like you did in the knife demo. Get that skin off. Top, tail, half, off with that outer layer. Now a little trick for these is, without cutting all the way through, cut like that, and now when you slice, they're pre-diced. On your bottom, there you go. Now you'll notice that there are no measurements. This is 100% to taste. I have no idea how spicy these things are. Now to get these finer, I'm going to rock. Ooh, that's got a zip. I'm going to leave that one out. Pre-julienned carrots. I'm just going to go through a couple times to make them smaller. And they go. Garlic. Top and tail. And then with the side of your knife, give it a good smack. And the skin comes right off. Give it a real good one. And it's a lot easier to chop up. And I forgot one ingredient. Lime juice. And because I don't have enough, I'm throwing some lemon in. Cilantro. You take chop off the top and just to get these out of my freezer. A little tip, chilies, whether they be like cayenne peppers or habaneros or anything like that, throw them in the freezer. They last forever. And they're a lot easier to cut when they're frozen. Stir that up. Then a little ancho chili for heat. A little cayenne for flavor. And a little cumin to give it a real kick. Mix it up. Take a spoon, have a little taste. Oh, that's got kick. Now, one thing to remember when making salsa, let it sit for a day, okay? Let all of those flavors blend together. Let them soak in and let the aromats, those real aromatic flavors that are coming out of the chilies, expand and open up. That's going to make it more spicy, but more of a smooth spice. So right now I'm getting a real ping, a burn from the cumin and a little of the ancho. That is going to even out. The ancho is going to be more flavorful. The cumin's going to stay the spice it is. Maybe get a little bit more, but less of a sharp spice. It's going to be a more rounded spice. So that's it.